Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Whole plus sail. Whole sail. PR plus ice. Price. Wholesale price. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our program. We're getting an early jump on 4th of July celebrations. Hope you had a good weekend, and welcome again to Classic Concentration. Wimbledon was on yesterday and will be preempted again tomorrow and the following day. But today, we have these two returning contestants. In case you missed Friday's program, we've had a slight change in format on Classic Concentration. Now our contestants are with us until they win a brand new car or until they lose 2 games. As you can see, in front of each player, we have an X. That means that both this lady on my right and this gentleman on my left have lost a game apiece. So this first game today is very important. Let's meet the players. On my right, Christy Anderson. Hiya, Christy.
Hi, I'm okay.
And welcome back. Feel good?
Yeah, I feel good.
You want to win some more prizes,
Yeah,
don't you?
I do.
You won over $2,000 on Friday's show. Good luck to you today.
Thank you.
Once again, your opponent is Terry Hart.
Hi.
Now, we know about her beau, her own Michael J. Fox. Is there a special lady in your life, Terry?
Not just yet. Not just yet.
Still looking?
I've thought about it. I've looked, but I'm not sure. Not just yet.
All right. Is there something wrong with Southern California girls? Because you're not from here, I know.
Well, it's not like it was in the songs. I'll say that.
Oh, all right. Okay, Terry. Take a look over here. This is something great.
Fully hand-carved solid wood construction and convenient layout of internal spaces makes this Colonial Heirlooms Armoire a grand addition to any decor. Furnished by Colonial Heirlooms. Alex.
Colonial. Appropriate product for this particular day and tomorrow. Let's show Terry and Christy where they can find that prize. The Armoire, lower right-hand corner at number 25. A Florida beach resort vacation in game number 1, Terry.
Wow.
And you get to pick first, of course. 2 numbers, please.
Okay, let's look and see what's behind my lucky number 10.
A toaster oven and broiler.
Okay, I'll go for a wild card or a match under number 17.
No, an entertainment center. Christy, you get to pick.
Okay, my lucky number 11 again. I'll try.
Green take.
Let's see if I can find a match to that under number 3.
No, there's the entertainment
boy.
center. Possible match for Terry.
Okay, was that under number 17?
Correct.
Oh, and number 3 for the match.
There we go.
All right.
First match for
Off to a
this
good
July
start.
3rd show is up there on your side, and these panels will swing open. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 9, please.
Pearl necklace.
Okay, I'm sure I could find some girl that would like that.
Perhaps even a
Maybe.
Southern California girl.
Maybe one of those girls.
Yes.
Girl from a song.
Not one from a song, though. You don't want
No,
one from a
no,
song.
no.
Darling Clementine would be a good one. I guess not.
With pearls.
Okay,
Okay,
Terry.
number
Pick a
21,
match.
please.
21, he says. No, we have a scooter and skateboards.
That sounds interesting.
Yes.
Oh, let's see what's under number 1.
Pearl necklace.
And that was under number 9.
Pearl necklace for Christy Anderson.
I love jewelry.
All right, now
I'm
Christy,
wearing
slow
much,
down.
but...
That's all right. Take a look now, Christy. Select again.
Okay, how about number 16, please?
Custom window blinds.
That's what I need. And how about a match under number 4? See that one already?
Scooter and skateboard set. A match for
Okay.
you, Terry.
Well, was the scooter and skateboard under number 21?
I think so.
Okay, and let's take it under number 4.
Number 4. There's a match.
Right
Is up
around
there with the
town.
entertainment center? Yes, indeed. Keep you in shape, too.
Yeah, I could
Open
use
them up
that.
for him. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 24, please.
Wild card.
Okay. I want the armoire under number 25, please.
All right, good selection.
I want that.
Christy says she wants it also. The other armoire It's on the board at position 14. 3 pieces opening up on the right side of the puzzle. How beneficial, how helpful will they be?
Pretty beneficial.
Well, that answers that question.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 8, please.
There's another wild card. You're doing exactly what Christy did on Friday's show. She uncovered 3 wild cards in a row.
This is the showdown match, so let's see what's behind number 12.
Red take. The other red take on the board at number 2. So now you're going to get a look at 3 pieces in that part of the puzzle. But before that, you might want to grab that pearl necklace. There could be a California girl in your future.
I think I'll hold on to it just for a bit.
All righty.
Just a bit.
Swing them open, please, for Terry. Go again.
Let's see what's behind number 13.
200 California lottery tickets.
Well, I can sure scratch away on that. And let's see what's behind number 20, please.
Florida Beach Resort Vacation.
There it is. There it is.
Christy, there it is indeed.
Okay, let's see what's under number 23, please.
Wide-angle binoculars.
Oh, boy. Let's see what's under number 16.
1-6.
Oh,
Custom
boy.
window blinds. Terry, back to you.
Have we seen what's behind number 5?
200 California lottery
And number
tickets.
13 for the match?
There's the match. All right. And since we're getting this puzzle pretty well cleared up, you might want to use your take. She still has the pearl necklace. Lovely necklace.
I'll take the necklace.
All right.
Oh,
Necklace.
boy.
Over to Terry.
gonna take it.
Take it away from Christy.
I'll take
All the prizes on his side of the board as he attempts to solve this puzzle. Will he attempt, or will he remain silent? Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 19, please.
Still have 1 wild card up there, remember. Wide-angle binoculars
Were
this time.
those under number 23?
Wide-angle binoculars. Good match. Whoever wins this game becomes our new champion. Take a look, Terry. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 11, please.
Green take.
I'm going to have to go fishing and see what's under number 7.
The other take. Will indeed. Nothing to grab, but great security, great protection for what
Great.
you have in your prize column. Open these 2 panels. Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 6, please.
Custom window blinds.
I believe those were under number 16.
You're right. You're in very good shape now, Terry.
Very good take.
Take a look.
Is it beware of the pigs?
Is it beware of the pig? No, it is not, but you've got a good chance. All you have to do is make a selection here, and you've got a wild card to help you. If you make a match, you clear the board.
Okay, let's see what's under number 10, please.
Toaster oven and broiler.
Let's see what's under number 22.
There's a match. That's it for you. Open those 2 panels. Show him 15, 18, and 19. There's the wild card. The Florida Beach Resort Vacation. Every prize in this game, Terry, plus a chance to go for a brand new car. Yours if you can solve this puzzle. Christy, can you solve the puzzle for the win?
Is it beware of the dog?
Is it beware of the dog? Barry, heartbreak for you, of course. You forgot. I mean, how often do you hear the expression or read a sign that says, beware of the pig? Doesn't work. Christy, let's go to the board and you can show them. Had every prize up there. Oh, what a heartbreak.
I know. Okay, there's the B plus the W plus the air, that is beware, and then the rough for beware of, and thud plus the hog, beware of the dog.
I think where Terry ran into problems is because of the thud, and you had to combine the D from that with the hog, and that confused you, and you had about $10,000 in prizes up there, Terry. The second X goes on in front of you.
Oh, well.
You've lost 2 games, so we
I
have
had a
to say
great
goodbye.
time.
Take care. So long, Terry. Well, I just have this feeling that you were sitting there saying, "Oh gosh, I'm going to be saying goodbye," but you're not saying goodbye. You're going into the we're going into a commercial break, and you're going into the winner's circle to play for a brand new car right after this. Christy, no prizes there, but a chance to win a brand new car. So let's get to it. You have your own clock, of course. Here are the 15 numbered squares, and we've added 5 seconds to the base time you were dealing with on last Friday's show. Good luck. Win a car.
1, 2.
Nope.
4, 5.
No match.
7, 8.
Nope.
10, 2. 4, 14. What am I doing?
No.
13, 15.
No.
5, 13. Oh
No.
boy, what is wrong with me? 14, 9.
No.
7, 6,
No.
4, 9.
Yes.
Yay. 3, 1,
Yes, you made 2 matches.
2.
But you made 2 matches.
I know, at least I got something.
Isn't that great? And you're going to play again. You're going to face a new challenger when we come back after this break. Meanwhile, you've got $2,487. Let's get it going. And we're going to add 5 seconds to your clock.
Okay.
We'll see you all right after this. Please join me in welcoming our challenger in this next game. His name is Mark Gilson. Hello, Mark. Welcome aboard. Where are you stationed?
I'm stationed at George Air Force Base.
All right, I see this patch you've got here. Let's break it down for our folks at home. 21st Tactical Fighter Training Squadron?
That's right, the Cheetahs.
The Cheetahs.
The largest and best fighter squadron in the Air Force.
Doesn't look like the Cheetahs. This looks like Panthers. Black Panthers. Are you ready to play?
I'm ready to play,
Watch out
Alex.
for this lady. She is good. Here's one of the prizes the 2 of you are competing for in this one.
Clavinova keyboards, authentic piano sounds designed with easy play features that make playing music fun for everyone. Yamaha Clavinova keyboards, just for the fun of it. Alex.
Just for the fun of it. And we'll show Mark and Christy where that beautiful keyboard, the electronic keyboard, can be found at number 7. We have $600 in the cash pot. We've got a holiday in Jamaica. And Mark, sort of good news for you. Christy is vulnerable because she has lost a game. If you defeat her in this game, we say goodbye to her, and you go into the winner's circle to play for a brand new car. You start us off, please.
Well, I'll start with number 21.
21. Good place to go. Bedroom set.
And number 1.
Amethyst bracelet. No match there. Christy?
Okay, let's see if I can find a wild card under number 10.
Electronic keyboard.
And number 7.
Number 7, yes.
Great.
There we go. Ladies, the champ. She knows how to play. She knows how to make matches. Slide it into position. Show her these 2 pieces. Go again.
Okay, how about number 11, please?
Fitness climbing machine.
That's nice. How about a match under number 19, please?
Amethyst bracelet. No match. Mark.
Well, let's go to number 1.
Amethyst bracelet.
And number 19.
Just like that, you have made a match. Who would the amethyst bracelet be for if
Well,
you
it'd
win?
probably be for Diane, my wife.
How long have you 2 been married?
7 years.
7 years. Way to go. Any little ones?
No, mine are all big ones.
Oh, this is a second
They
marriage
are
for you.
older, yes.
Ah, that's nice.
Yes.
Love is better the second time around, isn't it?
True.
Okay, let's forget about our past and concentrate on the game. Let's open these 2 panels for Mark. Go again.
Let's try number 5.
Home office package.
I'll move my office to my home if it's a match under 23.
Nope, red take. Christy?
Okay, how about number 13, please?
Cash pot, $600.
That's nice. How about a match under number 21, please?
Is it there? No, that's
Oh,
the
boy,
bedroom
I
set
was
we
on.
looked at a little while ago. Mark?
Let's try 16,
Red take.
23.
You got yourself a natural match. Those cheetahs are tough. Electronic keyboard. Now, you talked about your older kids. Anyone into music?
Well, I'll save it. I'm going to hold on to this, Alex.
All righty. 2 panels. Swing them open.
Not
Select
yet.
again.
Number 9.
Wild card. Now, remember, there's a great vacation in Jamaica in this one.
There is. Let's go 13.
Dead center. That's the cash pot. $600 worth. The other cash pot. Number 6. 3 panels. Swinging open for you. She still has that electronic keyboard. You want to use it?
Not yet, Alex.
Okay.
Not
Open
yet.
it up. 3 doors. Pick again, Mark.
Number 20.
Wild card again.
Oh, yeah.
Boy, since we've gone to this new format, contestants have come up with consecutive wild cards in 3 games. Go ahead. What do you want to pick?
Let's try 8.
Number 8. The Jamaican Tropical Paradise Vacation. The other one. Number 17. How about the take now? What do you want to do with it?
Let me take it. I'll take it. I'm sorry,
Give him
Christy.
the electronic keyboard. Now that he's got the vacation up there, he's counting on Christy being unable to find the green take. He may solve the puzzle right now. Select.
25.
Fitness climbing machine.
Number 11,
We
Alex.
saw it there, yes. That's a match for you, Mark. Open it up for him. Pick again.
Number 4.
Home office package.
We saw that there before. Let's go fishing at 22.
Green take. Christy.
Okay, finally. How about number 2, please?
2 is a wild card.
Okay. And number 22.
22 for the green take, and the other green take is at number 18.
Yeah, I know.
Somebody
I heard
just-
ya. Number. Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
You're listening to him. Do you know that guy in the audience that just yelled Jamaica?
That's Mike.
That's him. All right,
Yeah.
let's open it up for Christy. Pick again. Whoa, there's the bell. All right, hands on your signaling buttons. We're running out of time, so we're going to start revealing 1 square at a time. You ring in when you think you can solve it. Number 3, 4, 5, 12.
Oh.
Mark's in first.
Is it Statue of Liberty?
Is it Statue of Liberty? Yes, how appropriate on this July 3rd. Mark, congratulations. Let's go to the board, and you can break. Whoa! Scared the daylights out of me. Go ahead.
We have an S, T, and a hat, and a chew. Statue of Liberty. And then you got a golf tee down here. Liberty.
That's it. Hey, when you're in doubt, just go through it very quickly. Boy, that balloon exploding scared the daylights out of me. Christy, that's 2 X's in front of you, of course, and that means we have to say goodbye. But you won close to $2,500 in prizes on concentration. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you
Bye,
for
Mark.
being
Good
with us.
luck.
So long, and happy 4th to you.
Thank you.
All right.
You didn't get the trip to Jamaica. She took it away from you, but you did earn some beautiful prizes. Here's Gene to tell you about them.
A cash pot worth $600, a fitness climbing machine, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a fitness climbing machine or other top name brands from our catalog, or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and an amethyst bracelet. Part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection, this stunning amethyst bracelet, crafted in 14-karat gold. It shimmers with the color of amethyst and may add dazzle to any woman's wardrobe. Furnished by Kay Jewelers. And, of course, the elegant electronic keyboard. And Mark, these prizes total a big number, $8,445.
Hey, for somebody who didn't win the trip, you came out very well.
$400 in prizes and a chance to go for a brand new car when we come back after this.
All right, Mark, here are the 15 numbered squares for you and your own clock. It's a basic time of 35 seconds. Good luck to you. Off you go.
1, 3.
Nope.
4, 6.
No.
1, 6.
Right.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12,
No.
9, 15,
Nope.
13, 14,
Nope.
9, 14.
Right.
10, 11,
Nope.
7, 13.
No. Really tough the first time, but gosh,
is.
you won such a
is.
bundle in that game. $8,445 in prizes. And you're going to come back and compete again. We're going to take a break after we hear about some more prizes from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive part of Miller's Imports Armani collection, hand-painted in Italy, Winter's Eve, designed with intricate detail, styled with the elegance of classic European sculpture, furnished by Miller Import. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
We're not back until Friday, ladies and gentlemen, because of NBC's exclusive coverage of the Wimbledon Championships, the tennis championships from London. But I want to wish you all a happy 4th for tomorrow. We'll see you Friday. So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.